Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a very important chapter of class 11th Computer Science, Python Fundamentals. In this video, I am going to explain some of the important topics of this chapter. So let's move toward the first topic of this session. What is character set? A character set is a set of valid characters that a language can recognize. A character represents any letter, digit, or any other character. Python has the following character stack. Python understands letters from capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, digits 0 to 9, and special symbols like plus, minus, multiply, divide, exponent, etc. Now, what is token? The smallest individual unit in a program is called token. Python has the following tokens: keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, punctuators. Now, what is keyword? The reserved word in Python is called keywords. We cannot use keyword as a normal identifier name, or we can say that we cannot use keyword for creating variable name, function name, etc. Examples of keywords are if, elif, else, for, while, and, or, not, def, return, from, in, pass, etc. So these are the keywords. We cannot use these words for creating variable names, function name, etc. What is identifiers? The name given to different parts of the program like variables, object, class, function, list, tuples, dictionaries, etc. are called identifiers. Rules for forming identifier in Python. An identifier name must start with letter or underscore sign. Spaces are not allowed in identifier name. Keyword cannot be used as identifier name. Python is a case sensitive language as it treats uppercase and lowercase letter differently. What is literals? Literals, also called constants, are data items that have fixed value. Python allows several kinds of literals: numeric literals, string literals, and boolean literals. What is operators? Operation on data is performed with the help of operators. Types of operators in Python: arithmetical operator, relational operator, logical operator, membership operator, and assignment operator. What is punctuators? Punctuators, also known as separators, used in programming language to separate one part of code to other. These are the punctuators we use in Python programming to separate one part of code to other. What is comments? In order to clarify the meaning of particular line of code, we use comments. Types of comments in Python. Number one, single line comment. Comment begin with symbol hash are called single line comment. Second one, multi-line comments. Comment enclosed in triple quotes are called multi-line comments or doc string. Here, this is the example of single line comment. The comment begin with symbol hash is called single line comment. Now, see, this is the example of multi-line comment. What is variables? A variable is the named storage location whose value can be manipulated during the execution of the program. A variable is used in Python programming to store value. What is data types? A data type is means to identify the type of data and associate operations for handling it. A data type specifies the type of data a variable can store. Thank you. Have a nice day.